Hi, welcome to another lesson, guys. This is all about the 12 bar blues and the 12 bar blues in A. So let's get straight into how to learn this. So what we have to learn is 3 different chords: an A5, a D5 and an E5. These are the chords of the blues 1, 4 and 5. Now the first chord A, we're going to have our first finger on the 4th string fret 2, and then we'll be placing our 3rd finger onto string 4 fret 2. And to start with, if you've never done this, you can practice just playing on that string. 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4. Now once you've got that, we actually need to hit the string above as well. Twice each. Now you should use the back of your first finger just to mute the bottom 3 strings, not by pressing on them, just by lightly resting your finger back, so that if we hit other strings, it's not going to matter, we're not going to hear them. And also with the fleshy part of your picking hand or your thumb, you can just stop that top string. Okay, the next chord we just move down a string, and then we're playing the middle 2 strings. And that's a D5. The first one's A5, the next one's D5. The last chord we just move up then to the 5th string, and we'll play the top 2 strings. And you should get used to just moving between those 3 chord shapes. And after that, we need to practice this in a certain order. So we have a bar. This is going to be a quick change blues, meaning we're going to move to on the second bar we're going to move to chord 4, which is the D. But all of that aside, you want to start with 1 bar of the A, and 2, 3, 4, and then move down a string. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to A for a couple more bars. So again, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, back again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next we have a couple of bars of D again, and a couple of bars of A. To finish that whole thing off up to the E for 1 bar, D for a bar, and then A for a couple of bars at the end. Okay, here's the whole thing. A, D, A, D, Another variation on that is, instead of doing 2 bars of D, we go to the E for the very last bar. Now just another little quick tip is we can either just strum the strings normally like that, but it also sounds good if you kind of stop the strings like this. You want that kind of rhythm, and the way you do that is the back of your nail. So we're using the pick on the A string here, string 5, and we're also using the back of the index finger to stop the D string on the way back down. So it's pick both strings, but then bring your pick down. that different kind of feel. Okay, and that's it. And you just need to practice that over and over. I hope that's helped. So guys, I hope that's helped, and if you're just starting out playing and want to get into playing blues, learning to play a blues shuffle and there's a lot more you can add on to that once you've learned that, but get that down as a basis to start with. I hope you've learned something in that lesson, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel. There'll be lots more videos coming out to help you too, and look forward to seeing you next time.